In the vast theater of life and evolution, there is a character whose tale stands tall, outshining others with its bold narratives and shocking twists. This tale is none other than that of the selfish gene. Now, if you are wondering, what on earth is a selfish gene? Don't worry. By the end of this video, you will have unraveled this evolutionary enigma. So fasten your seatbelts and dive deep with me into the world painted by Richard Dawkins in his groundbreaking book, The Selfish Gene. Imagine the canvas of life. Sprawling across it are countless organisms, from the most microscopic bacteria to the grandest whales. Now, what is the common thread binding them? Genes. These tiny, intricate molecules are like the sentences in the storybook of life. But here's where it gets wild. Instead of being mere spectators, these genes are active players, influencing the direction and theme of the story. So, what makes a gene selfish? No, they do not sit around plotting world domination. Dawkins' concept revolves around the idea that genes are, in essence, designed to replicate themselves. They ensure their survival by making the best choices that favor their replication. And while we, as humans, cherish the notions of altruism, compassion, and cooperation, genes operate on a different level. For them, it is all about me, myself, and I. Let's get into an analogy to simplify things. Picture a bustling marketplace where every stall represents an organism. Now, every seller or gene is in fierce competition to attract customers. They shout, display their wares prominently, and even sometimes undercut each other. All for what? To ensure they get the most customers, and thus ensure their stall's success and continuation. Genes, in a way, are like these sellers, pushing their agenda, which is replication, in the bustling market of life. You might be thinking, but wait, what about acts of selflessness in nature, like when a bee sacrifices itself for the hive? Good question. This, too, can be explained by the selfish gene concept. The bee's genes get passed on, not just by it reproducing, but also by helping close relatives who share its genes reproduce. So, in a strange twist of events, a seemingly selfless act is driven by genes ensuring their continuation. Speaking of continuation, if you are finding this deep dive as fascinating as I do, consider giving this video a like. It really helps spread knowledge, much like genes spread their influence. What does all of this mean for us, the Homo sapiens? While it is tempting to think that our actions, emotions, and behaviors are solely the result of our conscious choices, the selfish gene perspective adds another layer. It suggests that deep down, there is a genetic narrative influencing our decisions. However, this doesn't negate our free will or reduce us to mere puppets. Instead, it is a testament to the intricate dance between nature and nurture, genes and environment, determinism and free will. In the midst of this, Dawkins introduces another captivating idea, the meme. While today we associate meme with funny internet pictures and videos, Dawkins' memes are units of cultural evolution. They spread from brain to brain, much like genes spread from body to body. Ideas, melodies, catchphrases, and even fashion trends. They are all memes, competing for our attention and propagation. To wrap things up, The Selfish Gene isn't just a book about biology. It is a journey into understanding the forces that shape life, the unseen narratives that dictate the dance of existence. Whether you see life through the lens of genes or memes, one thing's for certain: the world is far more intricate, beautiful, and interwoven than it appears at first glance. Thank you for coming on this enlightening voyage with me. As our understanding of life evolves, what other intriguing topics would you like us to delve into next? Leave your thoughts in the comments below, and let's continue this journey of discovery together.